Let's now go to Guasha. Let's discuss scraping tools. For scraping tools, in the past, people often used spoons, copper coins, tender bamboo plates as the scrapers, while using clean water and various kinds of plant oils as lubricants. These tools are simple and available with good effects. However, they are apt to injure skin and they look coarse for today's people. Nowadays, holographic scrapers are mostly used. Their edges match perfectly with the anatomic form of each area on the human body, bringing stimulation right to the place where being conducive to increasing the comfort of the scraping. Besides, professional lubricants are now available for the scraping. The combination of the new scraper with the new lubricants makes the scraping more comfortable with more obvious results. For holographic scraper, this scraper is oblong with smooth edges and four blunt round angles. Both long sides can scrape the flat areas of the body, while two protruding angles are very suitable for scraping the activity on the body, as well as scraping acupoints on the spine and the head. The holographic scraper is generally made of jade, which looks crystal clear in addition to fine texture, larger density, and nice property of heat conduction. The application of the holographic scraper can not only cure and prevent illness, but also nurture yin, reduce inner heat, and cultivate mental tranquility. It's better for the operator to keep such a scraper for exclusive use in order to avoid cross infection. You can see here in the figure the holographic scraper of meridians and collaterals. For multifunctional scraping comb, its biggest difference from other kinds of scraping plates is that one of its long edges has been designed into thick comb teeth, which is convenient for combing acupoints over the head without doing harm to the head and the skin. Apart from being used to comb and scrape the head, it can also be applied to the body all over. This scraper is generally made of buffalo horn, being free from static electricity. The buffalo horn is also marked by the effect of dispersing blockage in the circulation of vital energy, reduction of heat, expulsion of toxin, invigoration of blood, and elimination of stasis. Using it to scrape the body plays a very good role in healthcare. You can see here the multifunctional scraping comb. For jade scraper for beauty care, this kind of scraper has four different edges. The curve of its edges is designed according to the anatomic form of different facial parts. The short curve is suitable for scraping the forehead and the long curve for scraping the face, while two protruding angles are suitable for scraping the lower jaw, the nose bridge, and the acupoint around the eyes. You can see here in the figure the jade scraper for beautification. Next is towels or clean napkins. Towels or napkins are necessary due to the flow of the scraping oil in the course of the scraping and that the patient has to put on clothes or cover the body with clothes. But the scraping oil tends to remain wet. So preparing a clean and soft cotton towel or some napkins can save you a lot of trouble. You can see here the clean and soft towels. Next is scraping oil. As lubricant, the scraping oil is generally made of Chinese herbal medicine, featured by reduction of heat, expulsion of toxin, invigoration of blood, elimination of stasis and inflammation, stoppage of pain without toxic and side effect, as well as plant oil with strong penetration and nice lubrication. Chinese herbal medicine is conducive to smoothing main and collateral channels, promoting the circulation of vital energy and blood as well as expelling stasis, while plant oil helps to moisten and protect the skin. The application of the scraping oil can not only lubricate the skin and reduce pain, but also speed up the expulsion of evil substances and prevent infection. Here is the figure, the scraping oil. Next is the scraping cream. It can be used since the liquid scraping oil is apt to flow, making it inconvenient to be applied to the face. The scraping cream is a kind of ointment composed of Chinese herbal medicine with quite nice lubricity. The elements of Chinese medicine in it are mild, with the effect of invigorating blood, dispersing stasis, improving the microcirculation of the face, and nurturing the skin. Please pay attention not to use face creams for daily care as the lubricant for the scraping, since most of the elements in them are not natural. Here in the figure is the scraping cream. Thank you for your attention.